All right, Kevin has had this running a couple times in the last couple of days, and we're going to do a cold start. This is a very cold start. He says it's been taking 6, 8, 10 kicks, which for this particular single-cylinder 200cc race bike, we both think is quite adequate. Not bad at all. So here goes. We're going to do some.
So yeah,
If
we got a minor tickle. I'm going to do a couple of primer kicks. And this one seems to like to have about half throttle.
Mm-hmm.
Go get my gear.
You know,
Let's start it again.
I'll buy that. That was 4 strokes.
Yeah, I'll take that.
So you got a 4-stroke motorcycle here.
How about that? Go get my gear. Yeah.
Yeah, all right, so he's going to get his riding gear. We're going to do a test ride. The royal we, are going to do a test ride. All right, we're good. There he goes, following the prime truck. Well, he went out under his own power. He came back under his own power. So far, so good. Okay, show me Kevin's happy face.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner, baby.
You happy?
Yeah, she runs fine.
It sounds good.
Yeah, it does for this little thing. Speedo doesn't work, but
Okay.
it's the Speedo. And the owner said,
Clyde's going to take care of that.
Not to worry about it.
Oh,
Yeah,
darn.
no, she's fine. She shifts through gears. A little cranky getting into first gear at first. Here,
At first.
you can see, just take a while. But it's been a long time since she's really run, so got to learn how to be a motorcycle again.
That's true. Okay, cool. We're going to call her good?
Yeah, I want to do one more cold start, just to make sure. I mean, she's
All right.
always going to be a little cranky to start, but I want to make sure that we've got it down to a reasonable number of kicks. And
Okay.
I think I've got a formula. Basically, it's tickle, primer, tickle, half throttle, and then maybe 2 or 3 kicks.
So just a 25-step checklist.
That's right.
And on the 24th step, it actually should start.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
exactly
bike
right.
bike should start here.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so we're going to keep it a couple more days. You're going to
Yep.
do some more cold starts, and then you'll release it.
Yep.
Very good. It's a cute little thing, I swear.